Today, I'm going to be prepping the window for install. Get my line of rope and some tape to tape the ends to the windshield, scissors to cut, and two tubes. One of them is we're not using that as a caulking. I'll show you a little way I do it. Trick makes life easy. So the big one is this one. This one is a non-curing flow grade butyl that you're probably want to use for sure. This is a lot better than the tape, all that crap. That will go along the pinch weld that this thing's going to wrap around, and that will give you your extra seal. I've done some without, they never leaked, some do. This one probably will leak, being that where the rust spots were, that shows me right there water was sitting there. These tubes are like 14-15 bucks on Amazon. Well worth it. So it's just better security. Some people put it in here. Nope, I don't do that. That's gonna make a bloody mess everywhere and waste a lot. I'm literally gonna put it on the car, in the heavier in the corner areas and all the way around the pinch weld. That's what I call it, that all this rides on. So that'll be done later. So that one's done. Now this one's my little trick. I just had this laying around, so the reason why I like this one is because I need just this. I don't need the caulking. So this is what I need. I've already done it. I forgot to record, but all I did is cut a 45-ish wide enough for my rope. And then I'll show you here in a second. I'm going to get it on the camera mount. Alright, so I just took a lighter to the end because this one likes to fray out. Like I said, just trim this at a good angle helps. Let's put the rope in here. Stick it through that side, and you're ready to rock. The way this is going to work, I'll do a little brief show here. So I'll take this and I face the open cut area, the long end tip, that's why I said angle cut it, that goes in. And then I hold this part of the rope with my thumb or whatever, push this in, keep it in, and just slide it, and the rope will slide right in. I'm doing it around the camera, so just like that. Just like that. Get this window super quick. You see a lot of people, they put it in by hand and then they use a tool to press it in. They'll sit here and use their finger, press it in, do all that nonsense. I mean, it'll work. It just takes a lot longer. I can do this window 20-30 times the time you do it by hand like that. And then this also puts it all the way in, which is what you want as far as it'll go. So I'll be doing that here in a second. I'll show you. Here we go. So I got the center of the windshield marked from the unseal. I'm gonna leave about, I don't know, a good 1.5 to 2 feet extra. I'm gonna tape on the window. I'm gonna start about 12 inches or so to this line. I'm gonna go this way just because it's easier to video right now. So all I'll do is pull this back, put this tip, long part facing down, put it in there like that. Move the camera. Let's see. Here. See if I can get a good view of it. Right here. Comes out, slide it back all the way in like that. So right there. Easy. Trying to do it with one hand, obviously hold the camera with the other. Put that back in there. Now I'm gonna have to turn the window. Gotta flip the windshield. I'll be right back. Gotta flip the windshield again. Okay, here comes the end. I'm gonna overlap. So this is my center. Try to back it up a little bit. I want to go about the same as this side. This is where this one's exiting right here. So I ran this one over it. It's going to double lap. It's about 12 inches to here. There. goes out. It's around. Cut it. Now I'm going to burn this one because it likes to fray, so I'll just melt it slowly. There it goes. Okay. Let that cool down. Reposition the camera and I'll tape it up. Just like that. Ready to go in.